So you have a Samsung Galaxy A54 and you forgot your password. I'm going to show you how to factory reset it, okay? Don't forget, with a factory reset, you will lose all your videos, photos, personal information, and so on, okay? And it doesn't matter if you forgot the password or your password's like not working, okay? So I forgot my password here. Now, first thing that we want to do is actually turn off the phone and to get into the Android recovery menu. However, we can't turn off the phone because when I try to turn off the phone, it's going to ask for my password, okay? So what do you have to do? So first thing is go to your computer or your laptop, all right? The only thing you got to do is plug it in, okay? Now previously, like a year or 2 years ago, we can do it without having it plugged in, but now we have to have it plugged in after the new updates and all, okay? So now I have it plugged in. You can see that it's charging. So now what I want to do is, while it's plugged into my computer or laptop, we want to hold down the volume down and power button. Press and hold both buttons together. Once the screen turns black, only let go of the volume down and press and hold the volume up. Never take your finger off the power button, okay? So we're going to do this together, okay? It's plugged into my laptop. Volume down, power, ready, set, oops. Volume down, power, ready, set, go. I'm going to hold it here, and as soon as it turns black, just wait. Volume down, power, wait. When it turns black here, the screen, now volume up only. I'm still holding onto the power button. Now continue to hold. Keep on holding now. Volume up, power button until we're actually in the Android recovery menu. Still holding. Okay, there we go. If it doesn't work the first time, give it another go. Okay, anyway, so we're right here, and to factory reset, we have to go down to white data / factory reset. To move up and down, you use the volume up or down rockers, okay? Volume up or down. So we're going to go down till it says wipe data / factory reset. Now, if you look on the bottom here in the red, this is very important. It says if your phone is reset, you may need, actually you probably will, need to enter the Google account information. So basically what it's saying is if you had a Gmail account that was synced to the email app on here, once you do the factory reset and then you start going through the setup process again, before you get to the end of setup, you will have to know what your Gmail is and the password in order to complete the setup, okay? So FYI, if you don't have no Gmail account sync, then we can just go ahead and do it and you won't need that information at all. So for myself, I'm going to proceed here, wipe data / factory reset. To select it, I'm going to tap on this power button right there. And the red basically saying, once you do this, this cannot be undone. All your photos, videos, personal information is going to be long gone. So I'm going to go down one to factory data reset right there. And then here we go. Going to tap that power button to select it. Now it says wipe data complete. And now it defaults back up here. It highlights reboot system again, which is exactly what we want. So we're going to tap on that power button to reboot system now. Now you're just going to have to be patient here and let it do its factory reset. It's going to be stuck on here for like a minute or so, so be patient. Voila. We are in business, guys. So there you go. Questions or issues? Comment below. Good luck, guys.